think as a teacher, I think I can give you such an answer because we don't use it all the time and not always. But today we have Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari, Head and Associate Professor of Botany, to brief us how to design Captivate presentation with PowerPoint. And to her credit, she has guided 12 MPhil scholars and has published nearly 30 papers in reputed journals. And she has also authored a book. And she has got a green thumb. And this has made her a horticulturist. And I take my hat off to her. And I think with these few words, I invite Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari to start her session. Ma'am, you can proceed. Ma'am, you can start, ma'am.
Yes, Selvalakshmi, thank you for your nice introduction. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all gathered here in this online platform to get or to exhibit your knowledge. So with this quote, I'm starting today. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. By Brian Herbert. So with this quote, always we learn with something. So today we are going to learn along with me how to prepare or how to present our thoughts and lectures in innovative way that will helpful for the students. So with this, I'm starting. PowerPoint presentation. That is, PowerPoint is a computer software created by Microsoft, which allows the user to create slides with recordings, narrations, transitions, and other features in order to present information. It helps people to understand the topic or idea in front of the audience practically and easily. So this is the PowerPoint interface. Here what you are seeing on my screen is the PowerPoint interface. So here there are these are the toolbars: quick access toolbar, file tab, ribbon, tabs, slide tab, zoom option, title bar, notes section, etc. So we will see one by one in elaborate manner. So these are the toolbar. Here you can see my cursor is moving. So these are the PowerPoint toolbar. So if you are
Dear participants, mute your mic, please. Dear participants, please mute your mic. Thank you. Yes, miss, you can.
Yes. So can you see this
Yes,
screen
miss.
now?
Yes, miss. PowerPoint screen. Yes.
So yes, I want to show this. So this is the PowerPoint screen. So on your left, right side, there is a blank presentation. So if we want to begin with, so we can start with this PowerPoint app or that software. So on the left side, what are the presentations latest we used? So this is the PowerPoint. So with blank presentation, we can take. So again, I'm going back. So now you are seeing this.
Dear participants, please mute your mic.
Slide. I'm screening this slide. So one by one, we will see this home home page, we can see the insert option, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review, and view. In each in each tab, we can see